Hi, I'm Zoe and this is Cabin Fever Science. I've been learning about Arctic animals in school and about their adaptations to stay warm. Ever wonder why whales don't need jackets? Ever wonder why penguins don't need sweaters? Or why walruses don't need turtlenecks? It's because they blubber. Blubber is a springy fat that insulates them from cold temperatures. Today we're going to do an experiment to show how good fat is at keeping heat in. It's a blubber bag experiment! All you'll need is a big bowl, a big bag of ice, 2 Ziploc bags, a spoon, some shortening, which is basically fat, and last but not least, a parent to help. Let's begin. Fill one of the Ziploc bags with shortening. Then put your hand in the other bag. Carefully put that bag into the bag with shortening. Use your other hand to smush the shortening around so there's a thin layer all around your hand. Now you've got a blubber glove. Blubbery. Then put the ice into the bowl and fill it with water. I have one hand in my blubber bag and one hand bare, and we're gonna see which one is gonna be warm. 3, 2, 1.
How long can you keep it in?
I can barely keep my other hand in for 2 seconds. It's freezing cold. But this hand I can keep in for like 2,000 seconds. Blubber really is good insulation. Maybe I'll smear this all over myself in winter instead of a jacket. I'm Zoe and this is Cabin Fever Science. Don't forget to like and subscribe.